Hi, I'm Emma-Louise, and today I'd like to introduce you to the Nokia T10 8-inch tablet. The Nokia T10 is the perfect compact tablet for any family. It's pocketable, portable, and a little powerhouse. It comes with 3 years of monthly security updates and 2 OS upgrades that take you all the way through to Android 14. It's designed to help the grown-up members of the family with their work needs, the younger members of the family with learning, and every member of the family with a little bit of fun time. It runs Android 12 straight out of the box, and Google Kidspace and Google Entertainment Space are included. It really is future-proof. The Nokia T10 has a beautiful 8-inch HD display and impressive front-facing stereo speakers. It comes with Nokia's Ozo audio playback, which delivers immersive sound whether you're listening through headphones or speakers and for wherever you're enjoying. Amazingly, this all comes wrapped in a super compact, awesomely portable package that's smaller than an A5 sheet of paper. The only trouble is, it's so compact you might forget where you left it. I want to show you more about this amazing product shortly, but first I want to tell you more about why our customers love Nokia and what we do. At Nokia, we believe in providing customers with great products that meet and exceed their needs and ultimately connect the world without costing the earth. All of our devices are rigorously tested to ensure that they will cope with the bumps and scrapes that come with everyday life. And all of our devices include an extended period of security updates to make sure that customers can feel secure when using a Nokia device. What this all means is that we intend for Nokia to be a brand that customers can love, trust, and keep. Let's take a look at what the Nokia T series stands for and what this means for the Nokia T10 tablet. The Nokia T series brings us tablets that have that legendary Nokia reliability. We will love a T series device because it gives us everything that we've come to expect from a Nokia phone. But in the case of the T10, it's in the form of a compact tablet. We will trust this little T series tablet due to the premium level of support that Nokia provides. And we will choose to keep this T series tablet because we are reassured that it benefits from Nokia's focus on both hardware and software working seamlessly. With 3 years of monthly security updates, the latest Android 12 operating system out of the box, and 2 OS upgrades, we can be sure that this pocketable tablet is going to be our trusted companion for a long time. The tough polycarbonate exterior shell, and with Android 12, both hardware and software will work in perfect harmony to keep us going every day for years to come. Whether it's staying entertained, learning and doing homework, or making video calls, we can enjoy doing everything wherever we want, due to it being so portable even for kids. Ozo Playback gives listeners an extra level of clarity and immersion beyond normal stereo. It provides a deeper, stronger, louder sound through both the built-in speakers and your headphones, and adapts to a local environment and equalises the volume on your device accordingly. The beautiful HD display with stereo speakers and Ozo audio, combined with snappy performance, ensures the Nokia T10 is the tablet you can depend on. I'd like to introduce you to the newest member of my family. Honestly, it really does feel like a member of the family. It's great to have around, it's so helpful, entertaining and resourceful. Having Android 12 built in means that all of my data is secure, and the addition of the monthly Nokia security update provides me with extra peace of mind. Face Unlock is such a convenient way to access a device, and it's great that it's also mask friendly. I found that the 8-inch screen size is the perfect size, as it's more than my phone, but it's easier to hold than a larger tablet or a laptop. I'm finding the Nokia T10 to be my favourite device for quickly checking the news, weather, social media, as well as email and online shopping when I'm around the house. Video calling with the family on the T10 is excellent. The screen size and the HD display makes for a great experience. The compact, sleek design also means the rest of my family find it really easy to use. My niece loves playing games and streaming movies on the HD display, and the immersive Ozo audio means that you really get sucked into what you're watching. The screen size makes the Nokia T10 a great photo album, and it really has been a hit when I visit my grandmother. I simply go to Google Photos and pull up the albums I want to show her. She loves gently swiping through the pictures of recent family events on the Nokia T10. The compact and durable design make it a perfect kitchen aid when I'm trying out a new recipe. I simply pop it up on the work surface and follow along. I do use recipe cards, but I prefer to learn new recipes by watching YouTube videos. And the size of the Nokia T10 means that it's not in the way of the kitchen worktop and I can follow along with what's happening on screen. I have knocked it over a few times when I get carried away mixing or weighing ingredients, but the durable design means that it's built to last. I will confess I've also been known to video call my sister from the kitchen when a particularly impressive cake comes out of the oven. I don't share the disasters though. It's not just me that's using the T10 to learn new skills. The T10 is helping my niece with her schoolwork and with learning a new language. The Nokia T10 includes Google Kidspace, which provides a curated area that is safe for her to use. It contains teacher-approved apps and games, books handpicked by experts, and recommended videos that have appropriately engaging content and creativity. Her school have provided links to language training videos, and she wanders around talking with the Nokia T10 in French. It's actually helping me with my French language as well. According to research, 87% of students find learning using a tablet device easier than using a PC, and 72% believe their standard of their work actually improved. Her school reports say she's getting on really well, and the video learning is really helping. Here's an amazing fact for you. Did you know there are more learning-related videos on YouTube than books in the US Library of Congress? Balancing work and home is getting even more challenging, so having a flexible device that can do a number of things is really important, and a compact Android tablet is the perfect solution. Android users account for the majority of the tablet market, with nearly 600 million devices in use globally. There are more than 2.87 million apps on the Google Play Store, so no matter what you want to do, there's an Android app to help you. My work means that I often find myself travelling around the country and working from different locations. So having a highly portable device with a larger screen than a phone is really useful during video calls. I simply connect to Wi-Fi or hotspot from my phone, and away I go. In many ways, using a portable device with a screen larger than my phone to do video calls is preferable to using my laptop. It also means that if needed, I can use my laptop at the same time as being on a video call. The Nokia T10 is a great device when I'm on the go, but it also helps me out when I'm working on my laptop or when I need a second screen. All I need to do is pair my tablet with my laptop, press the Windows key and K, and suddenly I have a second screen which massively helps my PowerPoint presentations and Excel spreadsheets. Having the larger screen makes replying to work emails really easy, and there have been occasions where I've left my laptop on my desk and taken my phone, the Nokia T10, and a wireless keyboard on a work trip. That's really travelling light. When I'm travelling, I do like to use the time that I'm on trains and planes to catch up on both my reading and my favourite films and TV shows. The screen on the Nokia T10 is superb for both. I have hundreds of books stored in my reading app, and I love to settle back on a long journey and lose myself in a good book. Or depending on my mood, I download a few films or a batch of episodes from Netflix, stick in my earphones and binge. The Nokia T10 is Netflix HD certified, so I can watch all my favourite shows in HD. The great thing is the Nokia T10 can do it all. It can store loads of books and loads of movies and TV series in its 32GB of storage, so I can decide what I want to enjoy at any time. Normally, my work trips mean that I'm in a hotel for a couple of nights, so Nokia T10 becomes my link with home and what's going on. I connect to the hotel Wi-Fi, load up my favourite radio app, and stream my local radio station using the stereo speakers and Ozo playback. It's like taking a little bit of home with me. The Ozo audio playback is really impressive. It provides me with a really immersive experience from such a small device, and if I'm in a quiet room or a noisy train station, the Ozo audio playback adjusts itself to ensure the best experience. And having the confidence that I'm protected by both the security provided by Android 12 and the knowledge that the OS will be kept up to date for 3 years means that I can just sit back and enjoy. So let's recap the amazing Nokia T10 tablet. We've learnt that the T10 is a compact, family-friendly tablet, does everything you'd want and more. It has an impressive 8-inch HD display, long-lasting battery, immersive sound from the Ozo audio playback, and an 8-megapixel camera. We're confident that with Android 12, Face Unlock and 3 years of security updates, our private information, data and apps will be secure. Plus, its ability to help the whole family with our working needs, learning needs and playtime means it can be a trusted companion for a long time. So simply put, we love the compact, family-friendly Nokia T10 tablet because it delivers on Nokia's brand promise, which is delivering products that are built to last for longer so that you can do more of what you love. Okay, I'm off on another work trip now, and I've got my trusted Nokia T10 with me to help me with anything work or anything play. Have fun, stay safe, and see you soon.